Thank goodness. But we do have to worry about some chances for rain this weekend, which I know a lot of people have plans outside, barbecuing, grilling, graduation ceremonies, all types of stuff.
Right, and we gave you that graduation forecast early on, but I want to now focus in on Memorial Day because like Matt said, we do have rain chances, and it's just very typical this time of the year. May, after all, is the wettest month of the year, and look at this, Saturday and Sunday both carry a coverage for rain at about a 20 to 20% coverage of rain on Monday. Temperatures generally will be in the mid 80s for the afternoons, morning lows in the upper 60s. This is technically cool for the afternoons. Normal temperature is about 86 degrees. Right now, we're not seeing too much out there other than a mix of sunshine and cloud cover. Satellite showing us that, and radar picking up on a little activity trying to get going near Sulphur Springs, but that's really about it. Most of us are just looking at a sky like this. Our DBU cam showing a perfect example of that. Blue sky with some cloud cover, temperature of 76 degrees. We do make it to about 82 in Denton, 85 in Fort Worth, 84 in Dallas, and again, normal this time of the year is 86. Let's talk rain though, because as we go through the afternoon, we could see a few more little spots popping up east of DFW in terms of showers, but this is really going to be late afternoon. Graduation's going on around 7. I think we're going to be just fine. It's not until after midnight. This is showing you around 4 in the morning on Saturday. This cluster of thunderstorms that develops out to the west will push into North Texas, likely staying north of DFW between Denton County and the Red River, and we'll see these storms generally progress to the east. I'm thinking by 9 or 10, any thunder that you may be hearing will be well out to the west to the east by then. And then we're looking at rain-free conditions a good portion of Saturday. I'm going to take you now to Saturday afternoon around 3. Depending on where some of these outflows land in the afternoon, we could very well see some additional development, primarily to the southwest of DFW. Now, this is going to bring us about 20 to 30% coverage of rain. This means most of us don't see it. This is around 7 p.m. You see those storms staying to the southwest before eventually they kind of fizzle out. Now, Saturday night, Sunday morning, looking rain-free. Sunday afternoon, a lot of us looking rain-free. We could see a few little showers popping up. That's why I'm keeping about 20% coverage of rain in the forecast. Now let me take you to Monday, because Sunday night will be dry, Monday morning will be dry, but Monday afternoon, now this is one model, it's several days away, but it is bringing in, again, about 20% coverage of rain. I don't think this will be a widespread rain event that we'll see. Now, because we're looking at daily rain chances, the potential for rainfall is there for near an inch. I don't think most of us make it there. I think it really is going to depend on where these storms happen to land. The activity is very scattered. The good news is that with scattered activity comes a very low end threat for severe weather. In fact, we're not expecting it this weekend, but because we have so much moisture to work with, any thunderstorm that pops up could produce some heavy rainfall, and that could lead to some isolated flooding. So again, best time to be outdoors this afternoon. Tonight we're looking at some storms, Saturday morning looking fine, Saturday afternoon looking a little damp, and then Saturday night looking just fine. Sunday, most of the day looking fine. Temperatures generally will be in the mid 80s through next week, and that's with daily rain chances continuing for the most part as we head towards the end of May and into June.